Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the 440i M Sport Coupe here at YNC car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to show you some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle. I will of course give you a sound demonstration of this absolutely incredible Coupe 4 Series. And of course I'll also show you some of the interior major talking points and features. So as you can see, the vehicle is presented in the Melbourne Red. Alongside that, we fitted the full YNC car Mperformance body styling kit, which goes in a very nice colour contrast. And at the front of the vehicle, you'll notice it is a 2017 67 reg and also has the very nice 4 Series facelift. So we do get the darker facelifted headlights, the rear lights as well, along with a few interior tweaks. Alongside that, this vehicle has got a wide array of optional extras, including the BMW M Sport Plus pack, so we do get the much larger front and rear brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon surround sound, and of course the heated leather Dakota seats. You'll also see we've got the gloss black air breathers, the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance side stickers, and of course these fantastic 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, which are finished in the original Bio-Bit grey, as you can see there, along with those fantastic M brakes, which are not only larger for the disc size, you also get a better upgraded brake pad compound, giving you better stopping efficiency. So not only has the front seats got the heated option, they've also got the electric movement and the electric lumbar and memory for the driver's side. They are also the M highlight seats, so you get this lovely M stripe stitched into them, along with the blue stitching throughout, as you can see here. And they're in incredible condition, as are the rear seats, which are in a Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the center folding armrest and the center storage tray, and of course that very nice Harman Kardon surround sound with the extra tweeters really does make all the difference of the interior sound quality and sound performance of that incredible professional wide audio system, which we will get to when we take a seat around in the car very shortly. Moving towards the rear of the car, this vehicle, we've done the satin rear diffuser over those very nice twin exit exhaust. And don't worry, in due time, I will of course start the car up and allow you to have a listen to that. Facelift rear lights, high gloss rear boot spoiler, and an extremely large boot space, which as you can see there does come with very nicely presented BMW floor mats. And they also got the split folding seat option to enhance that boot luggage capacity even further. Closing that down, I'll head round to the other side and again just demonstrate how nicely presented this vehicle is and how much of a nice colour combination the Melbourne Red and of course the black of the YNC Mperformance body styling kit is, alongside the 19-inch alloy wheels, which are of course the 704M Shadow alloy wheels. So we're going to go ahead now, as there is still a lot of special items on this vehicle to get through, and of course we do want to get to that point where I start the car up and give you a little sound clip of it, of course. So now we're sat inside the vehicle, you'll already be able to hear that very nice engine. However, we'll just go over a few of the features and functions first of all. Currently I've got the DAB screen up on that professional wide media and navigation screen. Switching over to the nav and map function, a very nice and easy user-friendly screen and navigation function. And as you can see there on the facelifted iDrive screen, they've all now separated things into nice little easy to navigate menus. And we'll quickly go ahead into the vehicle information and service screen, where you can see everything is highlighted in green, indicating that everything is all okay for plenty of time. The next service is due in 9,000 miles, and this vehicle does come with full BMW service history, right up to the most recent visit to BMW, which was in fact for a brake fluid change, and the time before that, which we can view, was at 40,753, which was for a full service including the spark plugs. It does of course have Bluetooth, telephone and of course audio, along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Dual climate control, and those pre-mentioned heated leather seats, along with a heated multifunction M Sport steering wheel, which is operated by just pushing this little button in down here. It has the high beam assist function as well, along with the absolutely incredible 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise control, speedometer function, voice and volume controls. So what I'll do now is just quickly down here, using the performance mode select switch, just engage the sport mode, which opens up a little butterfly valve in the exhaust system to open up both sides of the exhaust. As you've seen, it has got the twin exit exhaust. We can also have the sports displays up on the screen. which is another nice little touch, just showing how much power you're using and how much of the torque you are using. And of course it does make that a little bit louder. Okay, as always guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this little walk around video of the incredible Melbourne Red 440i M Sport. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I will get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course a link to our website to further check out this vehicle. And of course all of the prices and finance options, should that be applicable to your purchase of this vehicle, will also be there as well. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. We hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.